for Lila's birthday.
Yeah.
These are her toys from her birthday party, right? Guys excited? Oh goodness. Okay, Lila, you gotta get off so we can open it. Get down. Good job. Oh. Whoa, what's in there? Oh, we have to build it. Looks like there's all these different parts. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa. All kinds of stuff in here.
Yeah.
It might take a little bit to put together.
Yeah.
See what happens.
What happens?
Down in there.
That one is his house.
Part of the house too?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. It's empty. All right.
My dog is so cute and friendly.
Yeah.
All right, so we have this side here with the door. I'm looking at the picture and... Oh, now we need the back of the house. Can you hand me that big piece?
What's that big piece?
Yeah, that goes on the back part here.
Yeah.
I think it goes... Oh, it goes this way.
Oh, yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, pieces.
Yeah, there's a lot of pieces here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Glass.
Yeah, I gotta push it down until it snaps. There we go.
That one works.
Yeah, there's some more.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get this snapped together.
Can I put this down?
Is she sleeping?
This works. Oh, a buddy.
Oh, a potty.
Potty.
Look at that. Hmm?
Potty. Oh, shoes.
She's awake. Shoes. You put your shoes on?
Oh, very good shoes.
Yeah, let's try to put her here. What happens when you put her here?
What is that?
And look, a little puppy. What's the puppy do? He likes to sit in here too, huh?
Yeah, I do.
Wow, it's all together now, right? This is a pretty cool toy. Got her little bedroom, a little potty. What's
Whoa.
this?
Hey, yeah. What's that? See, they come on.
Yeah,
You put this, they come on.
that's right.
This one. That one come on.
Yeah.
That one bleeds. That one
That's
bleeds.
right. It's a cool house, isn't it?
That one comes on.
It's a fun little house.
This side is
Can she go on the swing?
a puzzle here.
Hey, look, can she go on the swing?
See this side?
Can she go on the swing?
Yeah.
Swing. Swing.
I follow that.
Let's see. Does she go down the slide?
Why not? Why the right side?
She don't think so? Do you want to try and see if she'll go on the slide?
Why do you like it?
No? Where does she want to go now?
Why goes here?
In the chair.
Let me rest
Yeah.
for a while.
She's going to rest.
Either side.
Oh, the fireplace. That's a fireplace, Will.
Yeah.
Is she going to rock in her chair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Now what's she going to do?
Let's switch off.
Now where should she go?
We go here.
She go there, okay.
Hello.
You come on here.
That's right. Oh, how about the kitchen? Is she going to make some food over here in the kitchen?
Where that kitchen go?
Kitchen, there.
Oh, yeah.
Make some food in the kitchen.
Oh, go right here.
Oh, okay.
I look like that one.
Does she spin around? No. How
Uh,
about this one? Does she go in the kitchen?
yeah.
Let's see what she says when she goes in the kitchen. Oh,
Did they come on?
yeah.
Like this.
Hello. I'm Miss Nora.
Go, good. Yeah,
Oh, she's
go,
gonna play a piano.
Like this.
What should I play?
Hmm.
And go. Yeah.
There you go.
Pie.
Can you go on the potty?
And done.
Oh, is she gonna go on the elevator?
No.
No, bath time. Bath time. Oh, she's gonna go night-night. Night-night.
Hi there.
She's gonna go up the stairs.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh, time to
Moving
dance.
to the music.
Hey there.
And the puppy goes up the stairs too.
Here's the good guy.
What's he gonna do? Is he gonna play the piano? Oh.
Hello, I'm Miss Nora.
Hey, do you want to put her on the elevator?
No.
Oh, in her chair. What else is she gonna do? Is she gonna swing on the swing?
Good.
Should we open the door?